Today is the World Suicide Prevention Day in order to provide commitment and action to prevent suicide. And if we look at the statistics worldwide of these suicides taking place, the number has been huge. About 8 lakh people die due to suicide every year entire world, and if out of which 1,35,000 deaths were reported in India. And if you look at the recent times, the 300 deaths were reported during this lockdown because of suicide, and these numbers are increasing day by day. Especially the student suicidal rates are increasing, the age between 15 to 29. The life is losing its essence. The people have lost the true meaning and the purpose of life. People have forgotten to live this life. People have forgotten to celebrate this life. They try to finish up this life whenever they are faced by a lot of problems. Suicides are increasing. The people are losing meaning of life due to the changing times and changing lifestyles, as everything is becoming very fast and rapid and quick. We look for a quick solutions, and it's changing time. And whenever we go through some psychological problem, where some stress, for that we look for easy solution. And let me tell you, every suicidal death that's taking place, has its beginning with a negative thought. And if you look at, I as a professional have 10 years of experience in the field of psychology and counseling. I've seen a lot of suicidal cases. The people have the suicidal ideation, the thoughts when they come to me. Every suicide that takes place begins with ideation. It happens when the people start thinking about committing suicide. They talk about this. There's a self-talk that begins within. So let me tell you, there are a lot of organizations that are providing help. There are a lot of professionals. People are still refraining to reach out to the mental health professional. So let's not suffer in silence, but let's speak up, let's talk, because talking leads to resolving. Let's not suppress our emotions within. So choose life, not harm life. Thank you.